What happens if you're in an accident with a government vehicle? When you're in an accident with a government vehicle, the process differs from a typical accident claim. Here's what you need to know. Immediate steps. Ensure safety and call emergency services. Document the scene, take photos, gather witness statements, and exchange information with the government driver. Filing a claim against the government. Unlike regular claims, suing the government involves sovereign immunity, which limits your ability to sue without consent. File a notice of claim within a short time frame, often 30 to 180 days, depending on the state. Include details about the accident, damages, and injuries. Consulting a lawyer is crucial. Seek a lawyer experienced in handling government-related cases, as these claims can be complex. An attorney can help you navigate unique rules and deadlines. Potential outcomes can vary. You may receive compensation for medical bills, lost wages, and property damage, but the process can be longer than regular claims. Stay informed to protect your rights. Subscribe to Car Injury Lawyers for more legal advice.